guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain what is technical analysis. Technical analysts work with a different approach. The core idea behind technical analysis is that historical price action may indicate how the market is likely to behave in the future. Technical analysts don't try to find out the intrinsic value of an asset. Instead, they look at the historical trading activity and try to identify opportunities based on that. This can include analysis of price action and volume chart patterns, the use of technical indicators, and many other charting tools. The goals of this analysis is to evaluate a given market strength or weakness. With that said, technical analysis is not only a tool for predicting the probabilities of future price movements. It can also be a useful framework for risk management, since technical analysis provides a model for analyzing market structure. It makes managing trades more defined and measurable. In this context, measuring risk is the first step to managing it. This is why some technical analysts may not be considered strictly traders. They may use technical analysis purely as a framework for risk management. The practice of technical analysis can be applied to any financial market, and it's widely used among cryptocurrency traders. But does technical analysis work? Well, as we have mentioned earlier, the valuation of the cryptocurrency markets is largely driven by speculation. This makes them an ideal playing field for technical analysts, as they can be driven by only considering technical factors. Fundamental analysis versus technical analysis, which is better? That entirely depends on your trading strategy. Actually, why not choose both? Most market analysis methods work best when they are combined with other methods or indicators. This way, there's a bigger chance of finding more reliable investment opportunities. Combining different trading strategies can also help eliminate biases from your decision making processes. This concept is sometimes referred to as confluence. Confluence traders combine multiple strategies into one that harness benefit from all of them. This idea is that trading opportunities presented by the combined strategies may be stronger than the ones provided by only one strategy. What drives the financial market? The price of an asset is simply determined by the balance of supply and demand. In other words, it is decided by the buyers and sellers. When supply meets demand, there's a market, but when else can drive the value of financial asset? As we have discussed earlier, there can be fundamental factors such as the state of economy. In addition, there can be technical factors like the market capitalization of cryptocurrency. Also, there may be other factors to consider, such as market sentiment or recent news. However, there are just that factors to consider. What really determines the price of an asset in a given movement is simply the balance of supply and demand. What is a market trend? A market trend is the overall direction where the price of an asset is going. In technical analysis, market trends are typically identified using price action, trend lines, or even key moving averages. Generally, there are two main types of market trends: bull and bear market. A bull market consists of sustained uptrend where prices are continually going up. A bear market consists of sustained downtrend where prices are continually going down. In addition, we can also identify consolidating or sideways markets where there is not a clear directional trend. It's worth noting that a market trend does not mean that the price is always moving in the direction of trend. A prolonged bull market will have smaller bear trends contained with it, and vice versa. This is simply just the nature of market trend. It is a matter of perspective, as it all depends on time frame you are looking at. Market trends on a higher time frames will always have more significance than market trends in lower time frames. A peculiar thing about market trend is that they can be determined with absolute certainty in hindsight. You may have heard about the concept of hindsight bias, which refers to the tendency of people to convince themselves that they accurately predicted an event before it happened. As you would imagine, hindsight bias can have a significant impact on the process of identifying market trends and making trend decisions. So, for watching my more videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.